This is an easy song.
So we want you to dance to the bum and not do everything the same. So if the song's going da 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 dee dee and you're going da 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 da, eventually that gets old. So if you watch me dance, and I'm just doing a basic, here we can do. And so I'm exaggerating right now, but for simplicity's sake, we can say, well, when it's a heavy one, 1, 2, 3, that you accent it and you step bigger or stronger, more powerfully or sharper. And that when it's something that's lighter, you know, instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, for the 5, 6, 7, 8, you really accent the 1 and the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you accent less. It's just like that. So instead of going blah, 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 you go blah, 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 which is much better.